A simple workflow using the block editor in WordPress 5.4, release date April 2020. First, go to this page and read through the available blocks. WordPress.org, Support, Articles, Blocks. You'll find this list useful as you learn the block editor. In this video, I'm using the full screen mode. To activate or deactivate full screen mode, click the three-dot button in the top right of the post editor screen. Then select or deselect full screen mode. Let's get started. First, make a new page or post. Every new page or post has a title section and a section labelled Start Writing. Type your title in the Add Title section. Then type your first paragraph into the section that says Start Writing. With your cursor at the end of the first paragraph, press the Enter key to add a new block below your paragraph block. You can now decide what type of block this second block will be. If you want to type another paragraph of text, just type into the block. If you want to add a heading block, type a / and type heading. This will open a dialog offering you the option to make this block into a heading block. The good thing about the search feature is that you don't need to know the names of all the blocks. For instance, to add an image to your page, type a / image. Blocks that can contain images will display in the pop-up list. Select the block from the list that most suits your needs. Please note, searching for image gives you more options than searching for photo. If you only type a /, you'll see a list of commonly used blocks. If you'd rather scroll through a list of available blocks instead of using the search tool, you can. Click the circle containing a plus icon to browse through all the available blocks. Make sure you expand each tab by clicking the down arrows. Then, when you find a block you'd like to use, click its icon to insert that block into your page. After you've written your page or post, you might need to add an extra block between two existing blocks. Click the three-dot button on any active block and choose Insert Before or Insert After. Another way to insert extra blocks is to deselect all blocks by clicking the document background, then hover over the content in the post editor. Plus icons appear as you hover. Click a plus icon to insert an extra block at the point you need it. Once you've typed your headings and paragraphs, added some images to your post, and saved your post as a draft or published it, you might want to perform some minor customizations. We'll do that in another video. Thanks for watching and bye for now.